Madina. Please listen. I give some points to get 100 marks in every level exam. School level, college level, state level, national level. First point. Every day more times make a dua. Rabbi Sidni Alma. Second point. High inspiration. Third point. Worry about education level. Fourth point. Giving more time. Fifth point. Study under the suitable teacher. Sixth point. Sacrifice your sleep and food. Seventh point. Set a goal in your mind. Long time education. Eighth point. Stop the pride. Stop the shame. Ninth point. Go away from major and minor sins. Tenth point. Follow all the methodology of Muhammad